We're cruising. We're looking at a building site in Rodborough Road with Immy Callister. Even media coaches have to buy property. Can stay. Alright, a seamster. So this is the top floor.
Top floor?
Top floor. And top.
I'm going to full do like a Kim K every time you turn the camera on me just to look ridiculous to my high vis.
So there you go. Look what's happening. Big door, mezzanine at the back. That's that concrete slab there. Mezzanine out here. And there'll be an office up there. 2 car spaces downstairs. But the views are really good. We're recording now, and I'm just going to show you when you go up on a mezz, the view, because this is the most surprising me. If you're a professional, a little bit artsy, not quite warehousey only, but you want something a bit special, that's a special view to our CBD. Look at that. Centre Point, Opera House, all the way out to the ocean, north-east aspect. This is cool.
Office with ocean.
And it's a big window. That's a good size.
That is a good size.
So the roof's still coming in.
And December.
There you go, Dims. December, it's ready. Look, big cranes. Doesn't look like it, but you can see the mezzanines come out. Bathroom, kitchenettes going in. They're very cool areas. See there, just above the garage doors, they put a bit of a lip, so that gives a bit of a rain shelter below. Go, Ims. The media coach. Looking at property with no that. Did you just ask Mez what?
When you're saying mezzes, what does that mean?
That's that thing up there. There, all the way along. What do you reckon of these warehouses? What's your take now on warehouses?
Everybody needs a warehouse in their life.
You can't go wrong with a warehouse.
Especially when Bunnings Warehouse is down the road.
Biggest Bunnings
in Australia.
Across the road.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bunnings Warehouse.
And a cafe is going in. All right.
This is a storage unit.
Thoughts on the storage unit?
I see white walls and a storage unit.
Concrete. Waterfalls here. So $270 a week that would rent for. $220,000 we sell those for.
Amazing.
Ims, there's going to be a wall and a door here. These ones are called Hide Your Harley storage units, 30 grand.
Hide your Harley, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
Isn't that a marriage saver? How good's the hat on a tilt?
What hat? That's really nice.
That's what you call angles.
It's a bit Humphrey Bogart. Ims, warehouses, what's the lowdown? Gut say.
Good investment, great opportunity.
Did you know stuff like this existed?
No, not at all. I've never been to a warehouse in my life. Do I look like a woman that's been to a warehouse?
No. Scary investment or exciting investment?
Exciting. I can't wait to meet all the tradie boys.
What about the numbers? How did you get your head around the numbers?
The numbers were great once you learn about square footage and meterage.
Super.
Buying
in super, not buying in your super.
The ability to cut the warehouse up.
Chop the warehouse.
Chop it up.
Extra income.
What can I say? Perfect. Good investment, Northern Beaches.
Well done.
You.
You've really
opened my eyes.
She's a good learner. She's snapped onto it all
I've
very
asked
quickly.
some very strategic questions today.
Yeah.
Been able to answer them all. Thank you very much. That is the end of the
You
tour.
gonna buy one?
Maybe.
Ah.